Ciao beautiful people and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm so happy to meet you, and then if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. That would mean a lot to me as usual. Any chit chats or video requests, I'm on Instagram and I will put the link on the screen now. Today I'm so excited to do this video in collaboration with Beads. I have done a unboxing haul video, which I will put the link here in the corner in case you guys have missed it. I'll show you all different products I have received in preparation with this video collaboration. So I'm so excited because this is one of my new interests I want to do on my channel. Recently I have making more interest about gems and jewelry making and journal making as well, and there's going to be a new series on the channel showcasing journal, how to make junk journal or art journals, journaling and all this sort of stuff. So I have made two tassels, very different colors, but pretty much very similar, using some fabric and the lovely beads from Beads, and I will show them. So this is the green one. As you can see, there's a lot of layers of scrap fabric, a bit of lace. I made some one of this jewelry string, and I've used my bubble gum as I call them, the bubble gum beads, the round beads, really colourful. I also use, where are they? Yes, the 10 colours pack, because both of this pack actually has, that's it, blue and green, which is what I did in here. And I have attached a little love. Is a wooden, it's a wooden confetti from Pound. I got a bag somewhere. Oh, there we are. So I got a bag full of them, just to give it again a different texture, a layer on the tassel as well. Love them. I hope you guys like it too. I know they're a bit messy. They're a bit there's a lot of texture. There's a lot of layers on this, and I really like it. So that's the green one. And that's the blue one, which I've used blue printed fabric and some brown one, because I think brown and blue go really well as a color combo. And I use the blue, the baby blue and the white beads, and here I've used all different shades of blue in there. Okay, I've got these beautiful fabrics from eBay. They were, I think I want to say £5 or something. They've got all different textures, all different colours. I've got some cotton, I've got some more like silky sort of fabric in there. So today I'm going to make a third one with you, because I'm in a process of creating three journals. Okay, so I'm going to make one with you because it's a long process. I decided I'll speed it up the video and I'll come back with you once the tassel is finished, and I'm gonna show them all three together. Okay, I'll see you in just a second. Okay guys, so it's finished. Let me just show it to you. What do you guys think? I really like it. I've used quite a lot of beads in here. Really like this. And I think, as I said, blue or baby blue actually, and brown or red and yellow, they actually work really well together as a colour combo. So just put some lace, put love. Yeah, that is it guys. Let me know which of these three is more your style in terms of like colours. Let me just put my scissors in my box and that in there. Why are you not closing? Sorry guys, just decide not to close. Yeah, so that's the three tassel. I've used the glass pearl beads, that's super cheap. I've used the, of course, the jewellery set in all different colours. And I have used my favourite ever, as I call them, bubblegum beads. Love them. I'm addicted to this. Love them. Right guys, that is it for today. I hope you like my tassels. If you did, don't forget to give me a usual thumbs up and support the video doing well. If you're not already guys, please subscribe to the channel. That will mean a lot to me. As usual, any chit chats and video requests, I'm on Instagram and I will put the link on the screen now. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a lovely day and I will see you very soon. Bye.